Is Yeezy Resell dead? The last time I spoke about Yeezy Resell, it actually blew up and actually making it onto a CNBC video. So shout out to them. I'll play the clip for you guys. Is Yeezy Resell dead?
Is Yeezy still cool?
Certain Yeezy models cost a lot less on the resale market than they used to.
That video blew up. That was awesome. That was awesome to really make it into that video. They hit me up and put me in. That was awesome. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about Yeezy Resell, updated a few years later because things have changed with Yeezys. Let's get straight into this unboxing. We're going to open up the shoes so you guys can see them, and then we'll talk about Yeezy Resell because it's changed throughout the years. Big time. Let's talk about it, man. I'm excited to pick these up a little bit because resale has dropped on this pair. I'm not going to be keeping these. I will be selling them when they decide to go back up in price, which it will happen because this pair I was actually able to get on the Confirmed app. A few weeks ago, we had an Adidas Confirmed exclusive access type thing on the app. I got access to some Yeezys. I only purchased one pair because the other pairs weren't must-haves and there was no resale really on them. This sneaker at the time was reselling for about $350. They've plummeted. They plummeted like Yeezy restocks make resell drop. They've plummeted down to about $240. I do expect this $700 to go back up in price to over $300 again. We'll talk more about Yeezy Resell. Let me show you guys the shoe, and then we'll talk more about resell with Yeezys. So right here we have the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflowers. I forgot the name of them for a second. There's so many Yeezys nowadays. The 700 V3 Safflower. Personally, easy pass, not a must-have for me. I'm not crazy about this colorway or really the silhouette for the most part, but an easy sell and an easy pass for me. They're clean, retail $200. Very, very dope. Now, I want to talk about Yeezy Resell and what's been going on with Yeezy Resell because some Yeezys are straight bricks. Some of them go up in price over time to like crazy numbers, and some of them have crazy resale right off the jump. So let's talk about it. Let's compare it to Jordans. Yeezys back in 2015, 16, 17 were very, very limited. Resale right off the jump was crazy expensive. That's not going to happen nowadays. It doesn't really happen with Jordans nowadays either, where resale is super duper crazy, unless if it's a collaboration or something extreme of that type of horizon. We don't really get that with Yeezys. We don't get collabs. So, resale is not going to be through the roof right off the jump really anymore. Unless if they make a super duper hype model, very limited, a good looking crazy sneaker, which, you know, they haven't been doing. That's been a whole new model. New models are still reselling, but we're not going to see an $800, $900, $1,000 price tag resell right off the jump again. Not anytime soon. So, resell, when it comes to Yeezys, what do you need to do? Because a lot of them, most of them, are bricking right off the jump. Right off release, they're going for about retail, some cases under retail, sometimes 10, 20 bucks profit, not much at all. What do you need to do with these Yeezys? A few things. First of all, hold them. Hold them. Hold them. A lot of Yeezys you can hold, but you need to be cautious when you hold them because of restocks. It comes down to timing on selling your Yeezys. That's really what it comes down to. If you had this sneaker a month ago, 3 weeks ago, a month ago, you were selling them for roughly $300 to $350. You're not getting that really price point anymore right now because of a restock. That's what happened. A restock on exclusive access. It wasn't even a huge restock, but a restock, exclusive access, and the price drops a good amount of money. It happens all the time when it comes to Yeezys because they restock them. Certain colorways will always hit. Zebras, the Breads, most black Yeezys, they will hit. They will hit. They will hit hard. They will go up in price. A restock will make them drop every time. Why? Because they're flooding the market with more pairs in production, kind of like a new release in a way of an older shoe and just making the resale drop. It comes down to timing. That's really what it comes down to with Yeezys on when to hold, when to sell, because they will hit their peak price and bet your ass most of the time we're going to get a restock. It's what it's come down to. Adidas has flooded the market with Yeezys and they're making a crap ton of money on them, just like Jordans. It's just like Nike does with Jordan Brand, guys. It's got to that point, almost to the point, where Yeezys are similar to Jordans. A lot of Jordan retros, your average Jordan retro doesn't have a lot of resale. What happens? Time. Time kicks in, and Jordan's not gonna restock a crap ton like that like Yeezy does. Yeezy will go back 3-4 years ago and re-release a Zebra. Jordan Brand's not doing that. When it comes to Yeezy Resell, it's still there. It's still there. It's just you have to hold and know what pairs to hold. I'm not going to sit here and say to hold every Yeezy. Absolutely not. But there's a good amount of 350 V2s you can hold. Even right now that are bricks, you can hold them. Especially in smaller sizes. You can hold them. 700 V3s, all of them pretty much are a hold. Pretty much. They're all going to go up to over $300. Pretty good holds. Good investments for the most part. Some will take longer than others, like I said. That's just how the game goes, guys. Yeezy Resell is not dead. Not dead. It's not going anywhere. We have Jordans and Yeezys. Those are like the top two hype resell. Everybody wants sneakers, right? Yeezys and Jordans. They're not going anywhere. Continue to hold Yeezys if you're holding. And be careful of restocks. Like I said, Yeezy Day is coming up on August 2nd. Yeah, resell's gonna drop on every pair in that restock pretty much. So if you have any of those, let them go now and then try to pick them up because they're gonna flood the market again with Yeezys once more. But I say that to say this: hold certain pairs. You could still hold certain pairs. Certain pairs of Yeezys are a really good hold because of the colorway. Guys, take a look at Lundmark Yeezys, for example. Citrons, right? Bricks, major bricks when those dropped. And they're starting to creep up to over $300. It's gonna happen. Just takes time. We need more Yeezy releases. As these releases go on, the previous releases will go up in price as long as no restock happens. You gotta be careful and watch out for that Yeezy restock because when it hits hard and resell drops just like it did with these, and it will continue to happen. But yeah, that's what's going on with Yeezy Resell. It's not going anywhere. Let me know what you guys think about Yeezy Resell down below in the comments. Once again, Yeezy Resell is not dead. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Smash it. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.